the beanbag.
So good.
Ano ba sa ano palabas na ano, No Other Woman? Ano ba yun?
Tapos si ma'am.
Ano yung palabas na, ano yun?
No Other Woman.
Yung private Benjamin.
Bakit?
Nanay mother as well.
Bakit po?
Ano pa bang mga sa luto ko?
It's the best grossing Filipino food ever.
Yeah. That's what I heard.
And then
Paglabas natin sila Kayla na ang gumagana.
Yun lang yan.
Correct.
Dala ko rin. Si Kristen na rin.
Kabatch ko, bakit? Kabatch ko yung mga yun. Nash? Yung Star Circle Quest din ako eh. Star Circle Quest. Yeah.
I think...
Hindi kasi singing contest.
I don't know, Mama was saying lies if she's doing
Baka depende sa anong kakayahan sa talent mo. Feeling ko
I
ganun.
think Mama Luz wants to be picked.
Nag-ano ako dati, Little Miss Philippines. Hindi ako,
I don't.
Gogo, hindi ako tinanggap. Kasi, hindi pa ako marunong sinungaling. Underage ako kasi. Sabi ko 5, 6 pa rin kaya
I don't know.
Ano gano'n? Diyan ka? Dito, Miss Philippines?
Hope they pick Sage.
Nagmura daw siya.
Don't you want to go there? You want to go there. They already know you.
Says she doesn't want to go, but he just doesn't want anyone to leave here because he knows that we want to stay here.
No,
The guys. So he's not really worried.
Yun nga lang. Yun nga lang po.
He's close to
Hindi ko
both.
tinitignan.
Yeah.
Ewan ko nung...
Kasi siya, nakapag-spend time sa amin and nakapag-spend time sa Sage.
It's cute.
Siya ngayon.
Naman dapat paglabas mo normal.
Paki-rearrange na lang kung maglabas ko yung utak ko.
Probably.
It would remove us fighting spirit
Hindi
if
pa wala kang
Divine and Carla were
No,
together.
of course. And the thing is, if Divine and Carla gives, Jazz is seriously considering
Which,
voluntary exit.
didn't she
Last
already
night as
ask?
one.
And Wendy.
And Wendy. Last night, Jazz was knocking on Kuya.
Yeah, but if they go, you're getting that
She was
feeling.
knocking on
Di ba kagabi?
Binuksan.
Hindi ka na...
Hindi. Kasi doon pa lang sa kabilang bahay daw, she was already asking, I wanna leave. Hindi pumayag si Kuya.
Tagapagmano ng
So, di ba?
Isn't
We're
it
losing like 4.
voluntary? Aren't you allowed to go whenever you want
You can.
You can.
When you talk to Kuya,
Yeah.
she said that to Kuya, diba? And Kuya said na...
Parang give yourself another chance.
Pero yeah, it's everybody wants this. And, but it's Kuya didn't like just talk to her to
Yeah.
keep her in,
Yeah.
try to persuade her. Pero
Yeah.
it's not like
Yeah, you cannot leave or... Yeah. So, like, if that
she's
happens...
firm about her decision.
Then she would have.
Even Wendy, they were like almost campaigning na sila yung i-nominate. So it's like, of course,
Evan, yeah, too. But
it's like we're losing 4 people if they still got.
Ito yung sa tabla sa buhay ko.
So, diba? And then new housemates comes in.
Kung bakit sila ang pipili.
Diba? Oo. Then 2 new housemates will come. Like, balik na lang kayo.
yeah,
Or you stay na lang.
and Carla.
There's 2 people lang na I really want to keep.
Tol, pumasok ka sa confession room.
Last 2 people.
Amazing Grace.
You know what? I'm scared. The order that they put us in.
Hindi kayo nag-audition sila pa sa Going Bully.
Because the first and last, you normally remember.
You
the
know,
names.
yeah. Yeah. And like when they see Kigoy, Tol, and the kind.
No, but I'm sure they're gonna be picking from experience because most of the guys know us. Like 6 people know us, and their input would be.
Yeah, people will listen to them because kilala.
Yes. I don't know. I don't know what you're talking about.
I know exactly what I'm talking about. You should have.
I hate Fifi.
Had you known this would be the result, I'm sure you would have not.
I thought it was freaking immunity. Isn't immunity supposed to mean that you're safe?
Yeah, you're safe.
Nag-blind item ang
Go there, you'll be safer.
Straight to the point, yun.
But even if she doesn't have any immunity, she's new. She's still be 1 week
But still,
immune.
I don't want to go there.
Kasi nga,
So I don't care if I'm safe or not.
Yeah.
It's not a big deal. So,
kung ano nila yung bibiruan ng tayo dito, Kung kami nare-personal na kayo.
Naging gusto ko.
Feeling ko, pwede rin ano to.
Jingle.
Siguro hindi nagustuhan ni Kuya Cheer natin.
Obvious na tayo yung favorite niya eh. Very obvious. So
Obvious ba? Bakit?
sa voice, sa para-language. Kuya, favorite mo kami.
Tayo. Yung sa ibang grupo, patalas-tas.
Favorite talaga.
Favorite tayo eh, ano.
Favorite tayo. Tapos tinatanggalan tayo.
Feeling ko, ayaw sa akin ni Kuya kasi ako yung mag-aso sa battery.
Gawin.
Tatlong battery.
Favorite tayo kasi ano.
Every 3 hours, nababanta ako ng battery.
Lagi tayong emotional.
Ang
Dito?
gasos naman ng dalawa yung balor, tapos
Kung hindi naman tayo emotional, bored naman tayo.
yeah. But it's like really high and then really low. And then really high.
And then, mink, and then mink.
Yeah, when we leave, we're gonna be like, something bad's gonna happen. Like someone's leaving for real.
Isa din natuloy, sinalpakan.
When actually they're just going to buy some cigarettes or something.
Or magka-trauma na tayo sa about leaving. Or either trauma or
Every time we
like
see a
hard
I swear, if I ever see a Fifi outside this place, I'm gonna stab it.
Inside my tiki.
Yeah, get the water out.
Sorry.
Kaya hindi kayo, ano, sinadya niyo yung paglagay ng ulit.
Piling ko yung mga bata sa bahay, may Fifi na eh. Sabi mo, diba kapatid mo, Fifi na. Piling ko din,
Feeling ko,
sabi.
popular na yun.
Oo, piling ko yung bata
Masaya
sa
naman
bahay.
talaga tingnan.
Yung ano yun?
Tiki.
Traumatic lang yung experience
Task na
natin.
24.
Ito talaga pinaka-nakakatawa.
Vince, throw that fish away.
Napaka-weird yung mga tao. Kung makapuso ka naman, para namang mature ka na.
Hindi, kapatid kayo.
Hindi ka na. Kung kasi yung sinabi mo, hindi kaya ka tahimik kasi iniisip yung sinabi mo, bunso, cash ganyan ka.
Bubog sarado na naman ako nito mamayang gabi kay Cassie. Bubog sarado na naman ako nito.
Pupugin mo na rin sa natotohanan para sa isa.
Para ko, yung mga...
Sa kanya to.
As a whole.
She doesn't care.
Nalilito na ako sa mga pag-iiyak.
Tintin, Rin Tintin.
Ano? Kailangan nila kasi nila ng papalitin. Kaya pinapalapas na ako.
Oh, yan kasi yung mga chismis mo kagabi, yung mga blind item mo,
Hindi kaya si John Frost yung nag-asawa na talaga. Talagang ano na, nagpamilya na.
Baka, sama naman.
Bakit?
Pwedeng kumapit sa
Yan, kasi kung makapag-name drop yan kagabi.
Oo.
Sarado nyo ang door ng storage room.
Ay,
Hindi kaya
hindi
ang magsasara eh si Eke.
Yan yung Tagalog.
Ay, ala!
no.
Tapos yan. Ang hanap ng hayop na to. Bakit mo naintindihan yung sabi ni Kuya? Are we going there to the next house?
Dito, strategy.
Katulong?
Hindi ka katulong.
Kasang bahay?
Pinapasok lang siya dito para magbantay ng mga furnitures.
Ba't doon naglaba ka dito? Hindi.
Eto, nakakaintindi ka naman pala ng Tagalog, ha? May task ka, no?
Hindi
Kasi
kayo-
may task ka, ma'am.
Dead mo.
Hindi kaya Japanese.
Kain pa rin ang
Hindi kaya Fukin siya talaga. Fukin. Kasi di ba Japanese?
Feeling ko, waray-waray na. Maming ka na, ano? Ano, boy?
Tintin.
Parang ang haba ng...
Squatter pa rin ka.
Gumising na wala si Dayan.
Paano nga kaya ako ibalik? Kaya yan, no? Taas!
Ako I-nominate niya para sa kanya na yung
Pumunta ko na siya. Di ba? Pwede ka pa na upo doon.
Umupo siya, mama?
I probably think that they like watch it on their thingy through the internet, like whenever.
Yeah, and she probably tell your mom, like, something's going on.
Yeah.
Just later in the vine, are getting split up, probably.
I hope not.
And when Tintin...
Tintin. You're gonna leave me with him? I don't have a choice.
No, I'm just gonna leave you alone with Bagel.
I really hope I don't cry. I'm just not here now, though.
Do you think we're still gonna eat dinner?
What?
No.
So what?
Do you think we're still gonna eat dinner? Ano sa tingin mo? May dinner pa ba? Kaya.
Feeling ko wala na. Baba ng ano natin eh. Feeling ko wala na.
Ano, big kick yan, big? Nakalat siya sa big.
Naputol. Spotting amigo.
Looking good, thing. Oh, black. Look good.
Hiram.
Oh,
Hiram.
thanks, yeah.
Borrow.
Oh.
Kaibigan ko.
Doon sa ano?
Umusog ka.
Nausog din ako na sayang.
Gusto mo tabi tayo?
Grabe ka naman. Sa etats?
Anong sabi mo?
Pag mga etats, ako din na-spot din ako kuminsa kasi pag ano. Isang beses lang ako kanina.
Carlo, are you okay? What are you thinking of?
You must not forget the left hand.
No,
Tell them
no.
you're staying. Tell them we're kicking their asses.
Now, where is the left hand? The left.
Sino yung ikaw?
Say, Chi,
It's gotta
pumasok ka sa confession room.
See, Carlo, black.
So, where is the left hand?
I didn't put us in order. I didn't put us in order. Order is so important. It's like, it's very smart like that.
No, I think they'd want us to stay together. It's interesting. It's boring though.
Are you sure? Because
Yeah, it gets emotions, blah, 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 blah. And after that, for the next 10 weeks.
I don't know, man. I hope you're right. I'm gonna brush my teeth in case I meet some new people.